Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you along with me as I do some meal prep. I'm going to focus on breakfast in this video, and we do this every Sunday, every week. I prep out meals for the entire week and it makes a huge difference. But in this video, I'm just going to focus on breakfast, so let's get started. These are the supplies I'm going to be using today. I have fresh shredded cheese, potatoes that will go in the microwave to be baked, eggs, tortilla shells, sausage, and then some different seasonings. And we'll be using this bad boy today to make things a little quicker for us. We have 4 potatoes. They're just basic russet potatoes, and I've poked them with a fork. I will be putting them into the microwave to cook, and then we're going to dice them up. Next, we'll fry up some sausage. You can either use sausage or bacon, whichever you prefer. This is just a basic maple sausage. And while those two things are cooking, we will start to make the hard-boiled eggs. Now, I always start with a cup of water in my Instapot, and then I'll put my trivet in. I think that's what it's called, I'm not sure. And then I place the eggs on that so the eggs are not directly into the Instapot, otherwise they'll stick to the sides and it's a mess. Here I'm trying to get them separated so they're not touching, otherwise they stick together, but we'll just leave it. Now put the lid on and make sure that the knob is on sealing. And then I cook mine for 5 minutes. That's all it takes. And then I'll do a quick release at the end. Back over to our sausage. It's cooking up nice. I use this meat chopper to grind it all up, obviously. And you guys, I just got this off Amazon and it is amazing. I use it all the time. Now I'm going to scramble up about 6 eggs, place them in the frying pan, get those cooking, and then I will combine the sausage with the eggs. The sausage is turning out great. It's chopping up and it's frying up real nice. This is going to taste awesome. And here's our scrambled eggs. They're cooking up real nice. So just keep mixing them in the pan so they cook evenly. And then we will combine the sausage and the eggs together. And there you go. Meanwhile, the potatoes have finished and I've chopped them up and left the skin on. The hard-boiled eggs are finished, and what I usually do is when I take them out of the Instapot, I put them in an ice water bath. It makes it so much easier to peel. And here's our burrito mixture. It's the potato, egg, and sausage. And what I'll do is I will take a scoop of that mixture, put it in the tortilla, sprinkle some cheese on top, and then wrap it with saran wrap. And here you go. I've wrapped up all the burritos, one split, but that's okay. I can eat that one. And then I'll wrap them in saran wrap and put them into freezer bags. I usually can fit all of these into 2 freezer bags, and that way we can take them out during the week, pop them in the microwave, and we're ready to go. And here you go, breakfast burritos for the week, hard-boiled eggs. We are set to go. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this inspired you to meal prep, and I will see you back in my next video. Bye!